What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am wearing my funky glasses from iBuyDirect today because I am working on some projects, but I have been summoned to sit in my office all day because I am the closest one to the door and my dad is getting an iPhone XS Max today. So I thought I would do an unboxing with him because how fun, and why not? I do an unboxing about once a year when the new iPhone comes out, and that's the only thing I care about when it comes to electronics. Besides my computers and cameras, and guess I'm pretty much into electronics, but I don't know all the ins and outs. My dad does. Thought it would be fun to do the unboxing with him today. So for this unboxing of the iPhone XS Max, blah, 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 say that 10 times fast, I wanted to do one because I didn't get the phone this time because I did end up getting the 10 last year. But I thought it would be fun to show you the difference between the 10 and the XS Max Plus. Oh, XS Max? What is it called? XS Max. Whoa, it's not even called a Plus. Okay, so I thought it would be a fun video to do today, as I was saying, an unboxing and a review, but since I didn't get the phone this year because I got the iPhone X last year and my dad got the iPhone XS Max, I cannot say that fast, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XS Max, blah, 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 blah. I thought it'd be cool to kind of compare the two to see how much of a difference there really is, or if there really isn't that much of a difference. Because I'm curious myself. The only thing that I seriously love already, not even having the phone in my hand yet, is that it is a lot bigger, and I like having the plus size phone. So that is one thing that I love already, but I thought it would be fun to kind of compare the phones together with my father. I'm just talking to you guys as I sit and wait for the phone to come because it's not here yet. And I'm working on my presets, which are actually launched already. So if you're watching this video and you're into editing, and you want your pictures to look cool like this, and how you like my editing style, I have my presets linked down below as well. But I'm just gonna sit here and wait for the phone to come. So yeah, stay tuned. Guess what, you guys? It is now, let me see what time it is. It's 3:02. And I've literally been sitting in my office all day, and the phone finally arrived. I'm so excited to show you guys it. So this is the box. It's just a normal iPhone box. This is the front of it. It's really pretty. And then, to get to the goods, we have the instruction manual, and then the phone. Guys, it is literally so pretty. It comes with regular headphones again, your plug, all the normal things the iPhone comes with, but here it is. Yeah! Okay, so I've been starting to play with the new phone, and the first thing, of course, I had to do was test out the blurring, the new blur part of the camera. So basically when you put your phone on portrait and you take a picture either front or back, you can now make the aperture all the way down to like f1 something. As you can see here, I took a picture of myself. Just a crazy picture because I look crazy today. And then I also just did one right now with a water bottle because I wanted to show you the difference. My desk is a little messy, but I just really honestly wanted to show you that it literally blurs the entire mess and makes it all go away and vanish. So basically the iPhone's getting better and better with pictures, and I love that because we don't need to use cameras all the time, which is nice for people like me who's a blogger. I don't have to carry a camera around all the time, and with my presets that I was telling you about earlier, presets work better on a JPEG image in the first place. So this is really such a cool feature, and I'm really excited about that. So another new feature on this phone that I'm gonna show you right now is basically whenever you take a picture, it snaps 12 pictures at one time, and it takes the best of the 12 pictures and it shows you that one. But you can go through and check all the 12 pictures and see if you want to make that your key photo or not. This is the new Smart HDR, which is also another thing that is just absolutely amazing about this phone. It literally is smart. So now that we went over the camera, which is my expertise because that's the blogger life, hashtag. So as you can see the difference between the two right here, you can see the difference in the size, and I just love how big the iPhone XS Max is. It's just so much bigger. The screen is so much bigger. Look at that. It's crazy how big they are, the difference. I just am so obsessed with that, and I'm gonna grab my dad and we'll jump into more features. What's up, guys? I just brought dad in and he was playing with his phone. So he went from the 6S Plus to the iPhone XS Max. So we went through a big difference. As you can see right now, we're gonna see who's the fastest at turning on their phone.
Mine's unlocked.
Oh, mine just unlocked. Who won?
I did.
I did. He did. I did win.
No,
I wish I won. He won. So that's one feature that's also better about it. It is faster than the iPhone X. You saw the camera feature. Now we're going to show you the astrology feature.
Right, which I don't have yet.
Why?
You have to download the app. This works really badass.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty badass, according to my father.
Badass.
So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick little review on the iPhone XS Max. There isn't that much of a difference to it except for the blurring of the camera, which is fantastic if you're into pictures like me.
Yeah.
That it is faster, it is a lot bigger, which I think is another extremely huge plus to the iPhone XS Max.
The screen is huge.
Screen is absolutely huge, and there are new animojis like the dinosaur.
Now it blinks. I can blink and it blinks.
Okay, you guys, we have one more tip for you because I've realized this with my 10 and his new phone that it tends to be like a little bit of a yellow tint, and we want it to be crisp white.
White.
So what do?
We have to go to settings, and then you want to go to general. And after general, you go to accessibility, and then after that, you go to display accommodations.
Okay.
Then you go to reduce white point at the bottom. Make sure that's not checked, so it's not green. Then you want to go to color filters. And then at the very bottom, you have intensity. You want to move that all the way to the left-hand side.
Got it.
And then under hue, H-U-E, you want to move that approximately, you want to play with that, but somewhere around the middle.
Cool.
It seems to give you the best whiteness that I like, because I don't like a yellow tint.
Nope. There you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed our short little video on the iPhone XS Max.
Got it.
Bye-bye.
Bye.